how to make multiple accounts on HelloTalk. So if you want to make multiple accounts on HelloTalk, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, you need to open up your HelloTalk application. After opening your HelloTalk, now in order to make multiple accounts on this HelloTalk, you need to go with Me, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on Me, you need to go with Settings, which will be in the top right. And from here, you will have a log out option. So you just need simply go with the account, and then you might find a log out section right here. And you need to just click on log out and then again tap on log out. Now, once you've logged out, you need to go with more login methods, and then you can go and select email. And now you need to enter another email account, like another account that you would like to log in. Enter the other account email address and then enter the password and tap on login, and the other account will be logged in. In this way, you'll be able to make multiple accounts on HelloTalk. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.